In this video, we're going to be taking a look at a powerful tool utilized by investors and traders, and that's the stop limit order. Be sure to pay attention so that you won't miss out on any information that will help you understand how to use this powerful tool. Before we get started with the video, smash that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications to stay updated on our latest content. Now, as I mentioned in my previous videos, an important thing that you probably already know is that you have to create and maintain a Binance account to access the platform services. If you're finding it difficult to open an account, be sure to check out our tutorial on that. Now, I want you to pay attention to the option that says Referral ID when opening your account. If you use my referral code, T7J9MB5J, you'll get an extra 20% off on your trading rates, which you'll have to pay every trade that you make on this exchange. All you have to do to get that 20% off is as easy as going to the Referral ID drop-down and click on it. After that, a field will open and all you have to do is type in my referral code. I will leave the code in the description below. Once you use my referral code, you'll get an extra 20% off your trading fees. This could end up being a lot of money, especially if you are planning to do a lot of trading on Binance. So, a stop limit order is a trading tool that combines a stop trigger with a limit order. Before we dive deeper into what a stop limit order is, what exactly is a limit order? Don't forget, we said a stop limit order combines a stop trigger with a limit order. So a limit order is an order to purchase or sell a specific amount of cryptocurrency at a specified price. By placing a limit order, you are essentially specifying the highest price you're willing to pay to buy or the lowest price you're willing to accept to sell. Traders usually place sell limit orders above the current market price and buy limit orders below it. If placed at the current market price, a limit order typically fills quickly unless the market is illiquid. Moving back to a stop limit order, as earlier mentioned, a stop limit order is a trading tool that combines a stop trigger with a limit order. It is an order to purchase or sell a cryptocurrency when it gets to a specific price, called the stop price, and then execute the trade at a limit price that you set. This limit price is the lowest amount you're willing to accept when selling or the highest amount you're willing to pay when buying. The key difference between a limit order and a stop limit order is that a limit order is used to specify the price at which you want to purchase or sell, while a stop limit order specifies both the trigger price and the execution price. Before we explore how to go about placing a stop limit order on Binance, let's take a look at some of its advantages and disadvantages. A stop limit order offers different advantages for traders, such as customization, precision, and risk management. It allows you to tailor your trades by specifying both a trigger price and the price at which you want to buy or sell, ensuring you get the best possible deal. Precision helps avoid unfavorable prices, while the automatic nature of these orders helps manage risk, especially in the constantly active crypto market. By setting automatic buy or sell orders, you can protect your investments from sudden price drops or market volatility. However, there are also risks associated with stop limit orders. One significant risk is execution risk. If the market moves too quickly and skips over the stop price, your order may not be executed at all or only partially. There's also price risk, where the limit order might not be executed at the intended price if the market falls rapidly after hitting the stop price. Timing risk is another concern. If the stop price is triggered during high volatility or low liquidity, the limit order might not be executed at the desired price or may not be executed at all. So to place a stop limit order on Binance, start by logging into your account. On the web platform, navigate to Trade and select Spot. Choose either buy or sell, then click on Stop Limit. After that, enter the stop price, limit price, the amount of cryptocurrency you wish to purchase, and confirm the details of the transaction. To do this on the Binance app, log in, go to Trade, and then select Spot. Next, choose either buy or sell, tap on the order type drop-down menu, and select Stop Limit. It's as easy as that. Now, for those who don't have an account, don't forget to use my referral code when opening an account to enjoy a discount. I have left it in the description and comment section below, so be sure to check it out. It'll help you save a lot of money. For more Binance and tutorial videos, check out our previous content. And be sure to subscribe to the channel because we have more videos on the way.